guys, I'm Angie.
And I'm Lou.
We're Eat, Sleep, RV, Repeat.
And today we're going to add a little molding to the lounge area to make it a little prettier.
So one of the little projects that we are working on this weekend is putting a trim on both sides of the wall and securing the door for the closet or storage box or whatever you want to call it in place. So stay tuned for that. As we've mentioned in past videos, and I'll turn this around just so that you can see, there is imperfections on the wall from the top bunk being removed, and our solution to those imperfections is putting a nice little trim around there. It'll give it a nice decorative look and hide that ugly imperfection. And as you see, the linen closet that Lou built is painted and secured with the handle in place, looking mighty nice. Alright, time to measure so that we know how much to cut the trim. What are we looking at on that side?
62 inches.
62.
29 over here.
And 29. 62 and 29?
62 and 29.
Excellent. So it is time to cut the trim. This is the trim that we picked. What do you guys think? Are you going to help us cut the trim?
So what were the measurements?
The measurements, I wrote them down. 61.5, 28.5. I'm marking.
A little bit, just a little bit more than the 61.
So the second, this line.
Alright, let me see where I have teeth left. So I gotta go in this.
Yeah. Where do you want me to hold? Do you want me to hold here or do you want me to hold over there?
I don't want to cut it. So I want to hold it.
So today Lou cut some of the screws from the pantry off and it has destroyed the teeth on this, but we're going to work with it.
So let's see what happens.
It's time to buy a new blade.
Yeah. But we're at stay at home. What to do? So, are you putting it this way or are you putting it this way?
I don't remember. The skinny part up.
Yeah, I think so.
Alright, so it's cut. Now we're just testing it. Make sure it looks right.
Yeah, I think
We're good. This is what we got. And we're putting the skinny part facing up, because then otherwise when you put the fat part coming up, it's just too much of a wide lip on the top. So I'd rather a wide lip on the bottom, and we're doing the skinny part going up. So this is what it's going to look like. It's going to be basically right over the door. It's going to look nice. Some little chips that we'll go ahead and paint over so that it blends in with the wall, but otherwise I'm loving it. I think it's going to give it a nice polished look. nail glue. You want to take care of this? Do you want to do this part?
Oh, I think there's a ray of hope.
There's a what?
A ray of hope. It's a very thin ray of hope, but there's a ray of hope. There's a ray of hope. Look.
Yeah, it's trying to come through.
Where there's a loo, there's a way.
No, del otro lado.
We just need to know if this is straight. That's what we need to know before it dries. My leveler here?
Lou's like, we just need to know if this is straight. So she's going to look for the leveler. Everything to me looks straight. The more of an angle and crooked it is, the more straight it looks to me.
Good job. Right there.
You're concentrating really hard there.
I am. I have very little time before this dries. Trying to do my best to not mess up.
So although we use the nail glue to put that trim in place, I think it might be safer for us to also put some nails to hold it better. So that is the next phase, is just hammering a little bit of the nails throughout, not everywhere, just in between here and there to get it in place. That was a brand new bottle when we started, and it's already like a quarter way through. That is insane how quick it goes.
Well, I'm using a lot of it. Advantage of having little fingers.
You're just getting all the excess off so it's nice and smooth.
Right. That's what I'm trying to do. It actually feels kind of like Play-Doh to me. So like, and I used to love Play-Doh.
Alright, so you just saw the final outcome. If you like this video, if you like our idea on the molding back there, to give it a nice little finished look, please give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below on your thoughts on this little project.
Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Make sure you click on the notification bell so you can get notified every time we upload a video. And thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.
Bye guys!